This video instruction is for biometric information technology system. You should register all fishermen with biometric. Information will be validated before the cards are printed. Only those fishermen who are registered will receive their cards. Biometric registration works best in the morning hours due to humidity and other factors. You should plan to register beneficiaries in the morning hours before 2 p.m. If the scanner seems not to accept fingerprints, clean the scanner window with a soft cloth or a dust-free tissue. During scanning of fingerprints, if there is a long delay between reading fingers, the scanner might go off. If this occurs, click on the button called Rescan. Not all fingerprints might work due to differences in fingers. This should be very few. In this case, you can omit biometric. Only thumbprints should be scanned. This will be checked by FAO. If a problem occurs during registration, contact FAO IT person. Biometric Information Technology System is a data collection tool based on FMT with the ability to capture fingerprints taken from beneficiaries in the field. It has a questionnaire data collection, data viewing and editing, import and export interface. BITS has simple interface based on FMT that opens after you have entered the right username and password. To begin registering fisherman information on a new form, simply select a form by row and click on the action bar called Enter Data. The data entry screen will open for registration of fishermen. It will start entering the information. The first one is the district. You can pick on the district of the Fisherman Association, landing site, date of registration, which is to date, registrar's name, first name, middle name, last name, nickname, date of birth, place of birth, birthplace, Mogadishu, telephone number, when fishing, crew, boat ownership, vessel type, Avdere, gear, predominant market, fish market, secondary market, do you carry ice on board, gender of the boat owner, mother's name, Halima Hassan, name of the head of household, Mahmoud, your father's name, your paternal grandfather's name, your paternal great-grandfather's name, Osman, household activity, fishing and small business, other support of the household, then we'll click on the biometric, enroll, Click on enroll. Start with the right thumb. Then the left thumb. Click on finish to save the fingerprint data. You'll get a confirmation message saying fingerprint has been saved successfully. Now you'll capture the photo of the fisherman. To take the fisherman's photo, simply select on the action bar take photo. When you click on take photo, the web camera window will open. Click on take shot. The question should be collected in a thorough and consistent and truthful way. The information you collect helps FAO better understanding their beneficiaries. If you have a comment, you can add. If you don't have any comment, you can just check if you have missed any information. Then save and close. Double registration. You will not be able to register fishermen twice, as the system will note that, and you will get a confirmation message. Let's try that. Landing site. Date of birth. Place of birth. Phone number. True. Boat ownership. Vessel type. Predominant market. Do you carry ice on board? Gender. Mother's name. Name of the household head. Your father's name. Yusuf. Yusuf Ibrahim. Ibrahim. And you click on enroll, and you use the same fingerprints to take the fingerprint. you'll get a confirmation message that user already enrolled. So you cannot register someone twice. If you want to view the data you have just entered, if you want to view, you'll come and click on the action bar response. This is where you will get all the information, all the information you have just entered. If maybe you want to edit, maybe I want to edit on the last one that I've just entered, I'll click on enter data. I want to change on the date of birth. It's not 1976 but 1961. I'll click on that. Then save and close. In case you want to delete, so you just come and click on response, then click on delete. You get a message saying, are you sure you want to delete responses? And it will give you the data entry number. If you click on yes, responses deleted. After viewing and cleaning, the data is ready for export into a single file, which you can then send to FAO, to system administration for the ministry. You can export by clicking on export on the main window, export. When you click on export, you will be asked to save the selected file and put in a folder on your hard drive. Save the generated file on the send to system administrator of the ministry. So you'll click here. New. Export. I double click on that. Sorry. Export. Then save. You will get a notification response status that data has been exported successfully. You will notice on the response status the number of records had moved to exported. From uncompleted has 0, exported has the number of exports you have done.